Okay, so this is October 2023 paper from number 1. What they have asked in number 1. So number 1 is basically from proofs. So this is a type of proof called proof by exhaustion. Okay. So what they have asked in number 1. Given that a, b, and c are integers greater than 0 such that the equation for c is given there and the equation for a, b, and c it's also given there. Okay. So in proof by exhaustion, what you need to do is that you need to show each of the steps clearly. The given statement, look, they have said what you need to prove here, that the product ABC is always a multiple of 4. So the product of ABC, this is a multiple of 4. You need to show this in each and every single cases this given statement is true. This is proof by exhaustion. Okay. So at first you can see that like this proof is a bit different. Like there is a table given, and this pattern of proof is now frequent in the past papers, in the recent past papers. Okay. So here what we need to do is that you will take a value for A, and using the value for A, you will find the value for C, and then you will plug in the value for A and C into the second equation to get the value for B, and then you will show your product in the third column, in the fourth column. Okay. So first, they said what? The integers should be what? Greater than 0. So in that case, what we can take 1 at first. The value for A is what? 1. After taking A equals to 1, what would be the value for C? 3 times 1, this is what? 4. The value for C is 4. Now plug in the values of A and C into the second equation. What you will get? The value for B would be 15 minus 5, which is 10. So multiply now. ABC. ABC is what? 40. We got the product 40. So which is a multiple of what? 4. Which is a multiple of 4. We can write. Okay, next. For second value, we can take A equals to what? 2. So if A equals to 2, then C is what? 7. Okay. Then B would be 15 minus 9, which is 6. So the product of 2 times 6 times 7, this is 84. 6 times 7, this is 42. 42 times 2, this is 84. So which is also a what? Multiple of 4. It's a multiple of 4. Okay, next. We can take P. So there are basically how many? 6 rows. So the question said you may not need to use all rows on this table. So if you take out of 6 rows, if you take just 3, that's enough to finish the proof. Okay. So the value for A is 3 there. So if you put 3 there, so 3 times 3, this is 9 plus 1, this is 10. The value for C is 10. So what would be the value for B? 15 minus 13, which is 2. Okay. So the product of 3 to 10 is 60, which is also what? Multiple of 4. Okay. So since in all of the three cases, we can see that the product of ABC is a multiple of 4. Therefore, what we can say that it has been proven that the product of ABC is a multiple of 4. Hence, proven. Or just the proof.